The summer sun warms our home, but your smile warms my heart even more.
Oh, Rohan, that is beautiful.
Look, Mira, over there. It's incredible.
Oh, Rohan, it's beautiful. We found it. I am so hungry, Rohan. My stomach aches.
There is nothing left, Mira. Only these two berries remain.
I've got it. We should build the new house right here by the stream. It would be perfect.
Oh, Rohan, that's the best idea yet.
You got it! What a perfect stick! Don't be sad, Rohan. It's just a bad day for fishing. We can try again tomorrow. I caught it! Look, Mira! A silverfish! Wow, that's amazing! I caught the first fish! Look at this one! Oh, wonderful job, my love!
Look, Mira, 3 beautiful fish.
Oh, Rohan, that is wonderful. We will eat well tonight.
ये लो, अब हमारा डिनर रेडी हो जाएगा.
This is delicious. Absolutely lovely. तुमने आज बहुत मेहनत की. Thank you, my doll husband.
और तुमने भी परफेक्टली कुक किया.
We make a great team, Mira.
And I swear, the fish was this big!
No way, you're exaggerating again.
It really was huge, though.
Look, everyone, the Isle of Cool. We're going back.
Oh, wonderful! I can't wait! Yay, the cool island!
What a perfect day for an adventure!
I can't wait to explore the island!